Now I have two-dimensional array. This is a two-dimensional array. How you are telling this is a two-dimensional array? Because I have two square braces. The blind mark, the blind rule is whenever we are having two square braces and the elements in these two-dimensional array are two one-dimensional arrays are there. Okay, fine. Now two rows and three columns. Now we want to convert this two-dimensional array to one-dimensional array. Somehow we have the requirement of one-dimensional array only. So we created two-dimensional array. Now how we can convert this to one-dimensional array? That is possible by using the command a dot flatten. So this will convert the two-dimensional array to one-dimensional array. Now we are converting this two-dimensional array to one-dimensional array and we are printing the elements. All the elements are converted to one-dimensional array and they are printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is fine. So how to convert the two-dimensional array to one-dimensional array? That is possible by taking a dot flatten. But we are not satisfied. We want to check, is this applicable to three-dimensional array also? If I give the three-dimensional array, is this command have the capability? Is this command has the capability to convert to one-dimensional array? Yes, obviously you can check. Now I am giving another square brace here. This is a three-dimensional array. This is a three-dimensional array. Now this you can check if you want. We can print the dimension. So a dot n dimension I am entering, and also we are checking how many rows and columns are there. We are writing a dot shape. Elements not required. That's why we are not writing a dot size. So see here, this is a three-dimensional array. There is no doubt. In this three-dimensional array, how many two-dimensional arrays are there? Only one two-dimensional array is there. In that two-dimensional array, how many rows and columns are there? Two rows and three columns are there. You can also slice this in this manner. In that two-dimensional array, how many one-dimensional arrays are there? There are two one-dimensional arrays. In those in that two one-dimensional arrays, how many elements are there? Three elements are there. That's what we are calling rows and columns. Here, two rows means two one-dimensional arrays. Three columns means in each one-dimensional array, how many elements are there? That is given by using three. So this command now converted three-dimensional array to one-dimensional array. Now I am taking a four-dimensional array. This is a four-dimensional array. Can this command convert to one dimension? Yes, it is already converted. You can observe here. So in the four-dimensional array, how many three-dimensional arrays are there? Only one three-dimensional array. In this three-dimensional array, how many two-dimensional arrays are there? Only one two-dimensional array. In this two-dimensional array, how many one-dimensional arrays are there? There are two one-dimensional arrays. That's what we are calling as rows. In this one-dimensional array, how many elements are there? Three. That's what we are calling as columns. This is how, whenever we want to reduce a multi-dimensional array to one-dimensional array, somehow in our application we need one-dimensional array, but the user gave us some multi-dimensional array, maybe three-dimensional, four-dimension. Then you simply recall this command a dot flatten or array dot flatten. That will give you the task you are asking. It will simply convert the multi-dimensional array to the one-dimensional array.